Endothermic reactions versus exothermic reactions by Gabriel A. Terante of 12 STEM D. What are exothermic reactions? These are reactions that are present in processes which exude or give off heat. This occurs when a chemical reaction in which less energy is needed to break bonds in the reactants than is released when new bonds form in the product. During an exothermic reaction, energy is constantly given off, often in the form of heat. Examples. Number 1. Fire burning. This process produces heat and is therefore exothermic. Number 2. Rusting. Though not obvious, the reaction between iron and oxygen produces heat. Number 3. Ice cube formation. When water becomes a solid, it releases heat, warming up its surroundings. Number 4. Hot compress. This item eases our body pains by exuding heat. Number 5. Fireworks. The fuel oxidizes quickly, causing great buildup in pressure that lead to solids and gases burning across the sky. Number 6. Brushing your teeth. Toothpaste neutralizes mouth acid from bacteria, and neutralization is exothermic. Number 7. Turning water vapor into rain. It is a water-based reaction that produces heat. Number 8. Patina. Copper turns green over time, just like in the Statue of Liberty. This is an exothermic reaction. Number 9. Cell respiration. It's a series of exothermic reactions in the mitochondria of living cells to release energy from food molecules. And finally, number 10. Decomposition. When microbes break the bonds within living matter, heat is produced. What are endothermic reactions? These are reactions that are present in processes which absorb heat. This occurs when a chemical reaction in which it takes more energy to break bonds in the reactants than is released when new bonds form in the products. During an endothermic reaction, energy is constantly being taken in as opposed to being given off. Examples. Number 1. Water evaporating. In order to turn into a gas or to evaporate, water absorbs heat, which makes it an endothermic process. Number 2. Baking. The batter changes to a fluffy bread by absorbing heat, making it edible. Number 3. Cooking. Heat absorbed by raw food changes its molecular makeup, making it edible. Number 4. Melting ice cream. Ice cream melts because it absorbs heat, which causes molecules to move faster and form a liquid substance. Number 5. Photosynthesis. One of the components required for photosynthesis is sunlight and heat energy. Number 6. Drying clothes. We hang clothes directly under the sun after washing them because they need heat to dry. Number 7. Air fresheners sublimating. During sublimation, heat energy is usually supplied in order to bring about the physical change from solid to gas. Number 8. Melting salt. Salts are solid at room temperature but change to a liquid when thermal energy is transferred to the storage medium. Number 9. Cold compresses. Breaking cold pack tubes mixes water and ammonium nitrate, creates an endothermic reaction, and absorbs heat. And finally, number 10. Boiling water. In order to boil water, we heat it. We supply water with heat and it absorbs it, making it endothermic. The end. Thanks for listening.